I absolutely love my job, and I am so blessed to be able to make men feel better by sculpting their bodies. My practice as a board-certified Beverly Hills plastic surgeon specializes only in sculpting of the body. I don't operate above the neck. I've made my entire life specially focused on sculpting of men and women's bodies. So having done thousands and thousands of these operations, we are extremely meticulous and specialized in sculpting. The most popular procedures for men these days are gynecomastia surgery, which is pretty much removing glandular tissue behind the areola, combined with liposuctioning of the chest wall in order to smooth that area. Gynecomastia is the most common. The second most common would be liposculpturing of the abdomen and the hips. Men have a distribution of fat almost in the belt area, that's from the belly button extending along to the sides, referred to as the muffin top. A belt liposuctioning is simply suctioning the fat below the umbilicus, or the belly button, and continuing it all the way up to the hips in order to reduce that lower abdominal girth. Men, like women, have had weight fluctuations in their lives, and we see quite a few men coming in here that have had huge weight loss. It could be through gastric bypass surgery, or it can be through simply diet and exercise. When they've had that much weight loss, they often are left with a redundant amount of skin in the lower tummy. It is really pretty much impossible through any form of diet or exercise to remove skin. When you have that much of an overhang of skin that men present with, just like women, we have to surgically remove it. And that's through a full tummy tuck. These patients are so grateful for being able to remove all that redundant skin that it's one of my favorite operations in men. But just removing that pannus of tissue and liposculpturing those hips at the same time really can change a man's life for the good, by just removing all that excess of tissue and skin. I love doing lipocontouring. I love fixing gynecomastic breasts and making a man feel better about who he is, so he can go out in the world and feel more self-confident.